Imagine recording a very dope video and at the end of the day your thumbnail spoils it because of the logo sign from Gemini. Now let's correct this. Anytime you record your video, you generate your image, instead of you going to fit it in and cut out some parts, this is just what you have to do. Go to your Canva. When you go to your Canva, you click on thumbnail. If you notice, I've already started trying to edit it. Now I'm going to curve this design that is at the side. If you notice, I've increased the curve. Just pay attention. I put my name, I place my name there. I put a logo, I just remove. You can see I'm moving the logo now. So I just place the design there. If you notice it now, the design seems to be more better and beautiful than before. If anybody sees it, they will not know that this design that is placed there was never a design. It's just me trying to cover my shame by using this to cover it. So this is how you can make your thumbnail come out professional and beautiful. When you are done with this, all you have to do is to save it and go use it to post your video. I hope this help you to correct yours. Take care of your hearts. You can see the difference.